Okay, this is test flight number 4 before I put the FPV on. I added 3 grams of lead in the front, the nose, and I put a 200 milliamp 45C battery in. Now it's balanced perfectly. So right now we're going to see how she does. Here we go. Ready? Oh, look at that. Look, she's flying perfect. It's a little windy right now. She's getting tossed around, but she's flying level and straight. Look at that. Nice. Looking good. 3 grams of weight in the nose, and she's flying much better. And a little heavier battery made a difference. Much better. I think she's ready for the FPV camera. It's a little windy right now. That's why she's getting bumped around a little bit. She's still a very light plane. I'll weigh her when I get in the house to see how much more it weighs. I like it. She's flying nice. Ooh, the wind's picking up. So she's getting a little lift. Okay, we have about 20 seconds left. So we'll bring her around. Little windy, so hopefully she lands well. Ooh, little wind pushing her around. Nice. Very nice flight. Safe mode works pretty good. AS3X flies nice with AS3X, but safe mode is good for takeoffs and landings. And there's the 3 grams of lead in the front, 200 milliamp 45C battery, Spektrum, or Horizon, or Hobby Zone, and she flew nice. I think she's ready. Yep. And a little up elevator. I had to do an adjustment on it. Here's the battery. 200 milliamp 45C. E-Flight battery. It's an E-Flight. I thought it was a Horizon Hobby Zone. But that's it. Good flight. Perfect CG. 3 grams. And she flew well. Great. Have a nice day. See you on the next flight.